Hello and welcome to this course. I'm super excited that you decided to join, and I can't wait to show you all the cool tactical maneuvers that you can implement in your game. And we're going to have a lot of fun, and I promise you're going to enjoy every minute of this course. In this short video, I just wanted to show you the sections of this course so you can navigate it better. So right now I'm going to jump behind the computer and I'll show you around.
Hello and welcome to the inside of this course. Let us quickly run through the course structure. The first section is the introduction, which is this video right now. And then the course is broken down pretty much into 5 sections, one for each motif. Section number 2 is defense annihilation. Section number 3 is distraction. Section number 4 is the motif of decoying. Section number 5 is discovered attack. And section number 6 is pursuit. As you can see, this course is very well structured, and in each section you will have your section intro, which basically defines the motif and explains the benefits and the strengths of the motif. And each section also contains 3 to 4 puzzles which analyze this motif in depth. And at the end of each section, I've also prepared quizzes for you to practice the tactical maneuvers learned. So let's quickly jump into one of these quizzes. I just want to show you the basic layout. So this is basically how all of them look like. And you would have a position set out in front of you, and you got a multiple choice. So before just clicking on any one randomly, try to have a good think about what you think the best move is. That way you'll get the maximum value out of these quizzes. Okay, so let's go back to the course overview. I really do hope you have a lot of fun during this course, and I can't wait to see you in the first tutorial.